my story, as you see. Learned my lesson and so did she. Now it's over and I'm glad, 'cause I'm a fool for all I've said. Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the accompaniment part on piano to She Hates Me by Puddle of Mudd. Let me know if you're a Puddle of Mudd fan. I've also left my playlist down below for my alternative piano tutorials. So obviously there's no piano in this, it's all played on guitar, but you can play the riff pretty easily on piano as you heard in the preview. So it is the same 4 chords all the way through, and I'll just sort of teach you my own arrangement of it basically, but it's a fun one, and I will swap out the swear word for a different word. So I will attempt to sing each section just as a reference point, and I've also left the full chords and lyrics linked down below as well. Here is middle C on my piano, so if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. This one's in the key of E major, so on the screen are all the notes of the scale of E major. There are 4 sharps that we have to play. So I'm just going to teach you the main riff first. So I'll do a mixture of playing the riff, the guitar riff, which is just singular notes, and then teaching the chords as well. So I'll teach both hands at the same time. So left hand is blue and right hand is orange. So we're going to play an E and then a G sharp in the right hand. Remember, this is middle C, so it's below middle C mostly. So we have E, G sharp, and then a G sharp in the left hand, and then an A, and then an A in the right hand. And then we play a G sharp to an F sharp in the left hand, and then an A sharp, and then a G sharp, and then a B, and then a B again. So do that again. E, G sharp, G sharp, A, G sharp, F sharp, A sharp, and then G sharp, B, 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 and then G sharp, and then it starts again. So I'll do it a few times slowly. Remember, you need to be writing things down. So just speed up a bit. Okay, so that's what I'm going to play for the intro, the verse, and the first chorus as well. I'm going to play all that the same. Obviously there's a little bit in there as well. I'm going to reserve adding that until a bit later on, where it might be a bit easier to incorporate that, particularly if you're trying to sing over the top of it as well. Then it all came unglued in into the next verse. After and rip them away, we have the she was queen for about an hour. After then, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to sort of abandon the riff for the time being and play chords instead. They're not all going to be played in root position because that would just sound a bit strange. So we've got the B, C sharp, B, that's the little da-da-da. And then we have an E major root position, so that's E in the left hand and then E, G sharp, B in the right hand. She was, and I'm kind of gonna pulse the left hand like this, so she was queen for. So here we have A major. This is second inversion, so A in the left hand and then E, A and C sharp in the right hand. She was queen for about an. So here we have F sharp major, so we actually have an A sharp in there. So it's second inversion of A, F sharp major, so it's C sharp, F sharp and A sharp. So we have B major there, so first inversion of B major in the right hand with B in the left hand, so it's D sharp, F sharp, B, and they're the four chords. They are the four chords, and that's how I'm going to play them throughout in those inversions instead of playing. It just doesn't sound right playing everything in root position. So if you don't know what inversion chords are, go see my chords playlist linked below. I did a video on it pretty recently, so I'll do that again. So I'm kind of going together, left, together, left, together, left, together, left, together, left, together. And that B chord comes in slightly earlier, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can vary when you play the chords as well if you want to. So I'll just continue on to the next verse then. She was queen for about an hour. After that got sour. She took all I ever had. No sign of guilt, not feeling bad, no. And then I'm gonna play octaves now in my left hand because it amps up a little bit more. So I know you can't see my lowest note, but I'm just playing octaves. I know not everyone has the lowest octaves. Instead, you could play in fifths in your left hand, so E and B, and then A and E, so F sharp and C sharp, and then B and F sharp. They're alternatives in the left hand to octaves, or you can play E's, A's, F sharps, B. So let's continue. Still doing that bit before we go into the E chord. In a trap, a trip I can grip. Never thought I'd be the one who'd slip. Then I started to realize I was living one big lie. She really hates me. She really hates me. La 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 la. here to playing the riff, and then I'm going to build it up with the chords as well. So I'm going to do a mixture of both. So I'll just demonstrate it. That's my story, as you see. Learned my lesson and so did she. Now it's over and I'm glad, 'cause I'm a fool for all I've said. She really hates me. She really hates me. La 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 la. I tried too hard and she told my feelings like I had none and ripped them away. And then we're into this bit again. La 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 la. Trust. La 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 la. Trust. La 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 la. She told my feelings like I had none. She really hates me. And I'm just going to end it on the E chord. I know there's like a little bits at the end of the song. I'm just going to end it on the E chord. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.